hot, y'all. How y'all doing today? What's the day? Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, I'm just coming in from work. And I had to stop and get me some, pick up my groceries from where I'm trying to say. From Kroger. And I have not eaten. I had a little handful of sunflower seeds because I only had a few left at my desk. I didn't take anything. My intent was not to stay as long as I did, but actually, it's unusual that all of us that worked there in my department ended up at the office today. I guess we all needed to be there for something, but except for one. Oh, well, let me tell y'all what I got, and then I'm gonna take some of these candied walnuts off. This is a strawberry field salad from One and Only Barbecue. My daughter told me it was real good, so I said, let me stop and get one, because I was either going to come home and make a salad. They got a lot of these candied pecans on here. I mean, walnuts, which are good, but I don't think I need all that with that sweet stuff on. I should have. She told me they were on there, and I forgot to ask them to leave them off, you know, because I'm doing the cleansing this week, and yeah, I don't think it calls for these candied pecans. Walnuts, I mean. I sure do want them, though. They're pretty good. And you can get any kind of smoked meat that you want on it. They put it on the side. I got smoked chicken for mine. I don't think I'm going to need all this. I think I'm going to need to have about half of it. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's good flavor. I can tell I'm hungry. Hang on, let me say my grace. I'm just chewing. Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for my many blessings, God. Thank you for the food I'm about to receive, for the nourishment of my body. In Christ's name, amen. And the drink, I just got some of that Minute Maid Zero sugar fruit punch. I don't think I'm gonna need both of these dressings either. It's a little merch. That's what I noticed about balsamic. I never need a whole lot of that. Look like this ain't nothing. I don't know why my daughter made a big deal out of this salad like it was something. Don't look like it's nothing but some lettuce and strawberries and the walnuts and blue cheese. Okay. All right, young girl. Anyway, how y'all Wednesday going? What you doing? What you got for lunch today? Look like they doing a lot of hiring at my job. Because when I left, they had the bathroom on the first floor. I came downstairs. I work on the 4th floor. I came downstairs and they said, do not enter the bathroom. Drug screen in progress. So I guess they taking the drug screens there. I was trying to get some reports done because our fiscal year actually ended May, and if we have any vacation left over from last year, we have to use it up by the end of August, and I got 2 days left, so I'm off Friday and Monday to actually use up my vacation time from last year. I was talking to my daughter last night, telling her I really want to kind of go somewhere, and she was saying she was looking at flights to Houston. But I was saying, my brother and I were talking. He said if it's getting better, and if it gets better by December, we may hit the road. If not, I can wait to 2021. For real. I remember a while ago, I wouldn't even eat blue cheese dressing. Now I love it. I mean, blue cheese, on my salad. I would ask them to leave it off because it was so strong. But now I guess I've gotten used to it. I really like it on salad. If I eat cheese on salads, I cross up between the blue cheese, the feta, or either the mild cheddar cheese. What's your favorite cheese to have on salad? You really paying for the walnuts, cause I don't know, so many walnuts to the side, and I ate a few. Look like they put a whole bag of walnuts on there, but they some good, they good. I'm gonna make myself throw them away. I don't know if I'm hungry. Well, I know I'm hungry. Or if this salad is super good. Y'all. So, I was listening to the radio, right? On the way home. And they had made an announcement about Memphis Light Gas and Water, which is a utility company here, right? Apparently, they gave months of COVID relief, right? Well, you didn't have to pay your bill. There's some people said that could pay their bill and that was still working. As long as they didn't have to pay it, they wasn't paying it. Well, now they have issued all these cutoff notices. And of course, some people legitimately used it that needed it. But they've issued all these cutoff notices. So, in conjunction with the cutoff notices, you know some of these people got kids with the virtual learning. So, she went on to say that Shelby County, because you know if they're in the house with no utilities, they can't do the virtual learning. So now the Shelby County schools, now school ain't even started yet here. They start Monday, I believe, if they're not in a private school. Now the schools here are having to revamp their excuse absence policy and gonna allow them to make up the work. But, and that's what they were trying to tell people. If you can pay your bill, pay it while you can. Because what happens is, okay, say it was $200 this month, you legitimately had $200 and you really didn't need nothing else, but you decided you wanted to ball to the wall, right? Which I know some people that did. They had it and didn't pay it. So now you done compounded this month after month. Now you bill $1,000, $1,200. Of course you ain't gonna be able to come up with $1,200, and ain't nobody just got no $1,200 laying around to help you out. So now you done put yourself in a situation that you didn't have to be in. And I would rather help somebody who absolutely couldn't pay their bill and just didn't pay it because they didn't want to pay it. And I was talking to one of my girlfriends. She tickled me, but she's still working, so. didn't know that COVID was, you could get mortgage relief for COVID, you know. But apparently she said that it was time for her to start back paying her house, her mortgage. And she had got the 6-month relief on paying her mortgage. Now, I don't know if it's her particular mortgage company or, you know, our mortgage companies. I don't know. But she had gotten a relief. She was still working. She took a minute. I said, "What you saved in them?" I said, "What you saved into that money? Over 6 months you gonna pay?" Girl. No, I sure didn't. I'm like, man, you could have at least said half, girl. I ain't say no. I couldn't do nothing but laugh. I'm like, Lord have mercy. So she said, like she said, now it's time for her to start back paying her mortgage. But I wonder why people do that, though. Forego paying a bill and then don't really save, you know, put the money up or anything. They just use the money up for something else. But if you're having issues with paying your, that smoked chicken really got a good flavor to it. If you're having any issues with paying your mortgage payment, you may want to reach out to your particular mortgage company and find out if they have some kind of relief mechanisms where they can move your note maybe to the end. Of your loan. When I went to pick up my groceries, I kind of felt myself getting a little sick because I had a little piece of order at Walmart and a little piece at Kroger, part apart. So to make a whole grocery order, I had to go to 2 stores basically. It took them about 10 minutes to come out of Walmart and about 15 to come out of Kroger. So, but I ain't gonna complain because I didn't have to shop, and it would have took longer than that had I went in the store myself for the little stuff I got, which I'm gonna put up a grocery haul. So I am not going to complain. I don't know where this was. But they were saying that they were going to mandate that students get the flu vaccination. Wherever this was, I saw it on the news. I don't remember what it was, though. And in order to attend school this year. Have you ever gotten a flu shot? And if not, do you think you'll get it this year? Or they were saying the combination of the two together would be just too much. This hit the spot, y'all. Because I was really, y'all know I love salad. I could have cut it up a little bit more. Somebody could have cut this lettuce up a little bit more. But as you can see, it did not stop the show here. Oh, those pecans, those walnuts look so good, y'all. But I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna throw them in the garbage. Just wasting food. If I could keep them and they wasn't on the salad, but I don't know how, you know, with them already being in the salad and stuff, how good. So, and see y'all, it's like some over here and here, all of those. I'm gonna keep this dressing though. But that was good. I enjoyed it anyway. I hope y'all are having a wonderful and blessed Wednesday. It's hump day. Hump day. Y'all know I'm silly. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Yeah. Mike. Y'all know I'm silly. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for stopping by and having lunch with me. And chitter-chatting with me. I want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love y'all. Bye.